Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that suppose g is an even function and let h equal f of g. We're asked, is h always an even function? So if g is even, that means that g of x is equal to g of negative x. Right? Multiplying the input by -1 does not change the value. We're letting h equal f of g. So therefore h of x equals f of g of x. We're asked, is h always an even function, right? Is. So we know, yes, g of x equals g of negative x. Therefore, is h of x equal to h of negative x? Well, plugging in what we know about it, this is asking, is f of g of x equal to f of g of negative x? And by using substitution, since g of x equals g of negative x, for g of negative x, we can plug in g of x. So this side stays the same. G of negative x equals g of x. So this is f of g of x. And of course, f of g of x equals itself. Therefore, yes, h is always even.